Have you ever heard of intermittent fasting? It's a popular trend that many people are using to improve their health and lose weight. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the benefits, methods, and safety of intermittent fasting. One of the most significant benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. By restricting the number of hours you eat, you give your body more time to burn stored fat, which can lead to a slimmer waistline. But intermittent fasting has other benefits too. It can improve your insulin sensitivity, lower your risk of chronic diseases, and increase your energy levels. There are several different methods of intermittent fasting, but the most popular is the August 16th method. This involves restricting your eating to an 8-hour window and fasting for the remaining 16 hours. Another method is the 5:2 method, which involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting your calories to 500 to 600 on the other 2 days. It's important to note that intermittent fasting isn't a license to binge on junk food during your eating window. To see the most benefits, it's best to eat a healthy, balanced diet during your eating window. It's also essential to ensure that you're getting all the nutrients your body needs while intermittent fasting. Taking supplements, like multivitamins or omega-3s, can help fill in any nutritional gaps. As with any lifestyle change, it's important to talk to your doctor before starting intermittent fasting. This is especially true if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication that needs to be taken with food. Now that we've covered the benefits and methods of intermittent fasting, let's talk about some tips for staying safe while doing it. First, make sure you're still eating enough calories during your eating window. Restricting calories too much can lead to malnutrition and other health issues. Second, make sure you're drinking enough water during your fasting period. Dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and other health issues. Third, make sure you're taking care of your mental health. Intermittent fasting can be stressful, so it's essential to find ways to relax and manage stress, like meditation or yoga. Fourth, make sure you're getting enough physical activity. Exercise can help improve your mood, reduce stress, and promote weight loss. Finally, be patient and listen to your body. Intermittent fasting can take some time to get used to, and it's important to pay attention to how you're feeling and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, intermittent fasting can be a great way to improve your health, lose weight, and increase your energy levels. By finding a method that works for you and sticking to a healthy diet,